this video we're going to be changing the Ford Transit door handle. Simple stuff. So here you look at my door handle, it just floppy and dead and it doesn't open the door. So we're going to replace this so we can open back our door. So once you've opened up your door on the inside, you can see there's a 10mm bolt there. Now we just got to take time and remove that. It's easy, simple, easy stuff. You can do it with a spanner or socket, whatever suits. I like sockets because they're easier. Just make sure you take it off and keep it. Put it somewhere safe because you're going to need that later. Once that's undone, it's just about jimmying it and wiggling it out of position. It'll free itself up pretty easy. It shouldn't hold too much. So now what we're going to have to do to free the handle is remove this Torx screw. So you just have to remove that and it will separate the plastic mechanism from the handle itself. Now important to remember, this is a reverse thread screw. So it goes the opposing way to what you're normally familiar with. It's probably something to do with how it opens. You don't want to open it by, you want to unscrew it by consistently opening it. So here's the old one. You can see the bottom part is broken. And here's the new one. Click on the link in the description to buy this part from Amazon. And just compare them to make sure they're the same and they're going to work. So you can see the one that's broken on the left and the good one on the right. So transfer all the stuff over. Well, it's only the spring really. Just transfer the spring over to the new part and reattach in reversal to where it came off. So remember, reverse thread, so where it's usually left loose, it would be left to tighten, if that makes sense, but you'll get to feel it. Tighten it up. See this all together now? That mechanism is where it's meant to be, in front of that handle. And then you've just got to ease the spring up in front of that little lug there. So it's got some tension and it will respond. And everything's all lined up the way it's supposed to be. It's just a matter of just wiggling it back in. Make sure the front hooks get into the inside of the door. And you see the screw just comes through the other side. And we're going to need that 10mm nut to go onto it again. Just check it, everything's all lined up. And just give it a little snug up. You don't have to over tighten it, but just make sure it's done up tight enough. There you go. Real easy, simple stuff. And then just what you got to do now is just check it. Make sure it's doing what it's supposed to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe to the channel.